Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
This is OPPO's latest photography-focused flagship, the Find X9 Ultra. Just like many Ultra smartphones built around camera performance, everything about it screams professional camera, from the styling and texture to the branding itself. Over the years, we've watched smartphone photography grow from something barely usable into something incredibly powerful and portable. But somewhere along the way, these devices started becoming larger, heavier, and more camera-like. That raises an interesting question. Most people aren't professional photographers, so do they really need a phone designed like a dedicated camera? Is the oversized camera module actually useful for everyday users, or is it simply a premium feature meant to make flagship phones feel more expensive? After spending a full month using this device and taking countless photos with it, I think the answer becomes clear through the images themselves.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The first thing that stands out with this generation of Ultra is its incredible build quality and finish, especially the new ground platform color option. If you're into industrial style designs, you'll probably love it instantly. The brownish-gray metallic frame, combined with the large leather-covered camera area, gives the phone a very premium and vintage camera-inspired appearance. Add in the iconic Hasselblad shutter button, and the whole design clearly takes inspiration from the Hasselblad X2D100 Sea Earth Explorer limited edition. Holding it honestly feels less like using a smartphone and more like carrying a compact professional camera. The accessories continue that camera theme as well. Inside the package, you get a Hasselblad-inspired protective case, a matching shoulder strap, and even a filter adapter ring. There's also support for the 300mm Hasselblad Ultra Professional lens setup, making the entire experience feel even more camera-focused. Around the back, the newly designed Master's Eye hexagonal camera module hides an impressive optical system. It includes a 14mm ultra-wide lens, a second-generation color reproduction lens, dual 200-megapixel sensors for the 23mm main camera and 70mm mid-range telephoto camera, along with a 230mm reflection-free periscope telephoto lens. Of course, there are some downsides too. The camera module is noticeably thicker than the previous version, and the outer ring around the lens goes back to the classic focus ring-inspired design seen on earlier Find X Ultra models. Personally, the previous design looked better. Overall, though, this generation pushes even further towards the look and feel of a professional camera. But design alone doesn't matter if the shooting experience isn't good. Thankfully, that's where things get really interesting. This phone essentially works like a Hasselblad 35 to 100mm zoom system, covering everything from ultra-wide shots to long-range telephoto photography. The challenge with smartphones has always been fitting a versatile zoom setup into such a compact body without sacrificing quality. So how does the Find X9 Ultra handle it? The first solution is its extensive focal length coverage through 4 dedicated optical lenses: 14mm, 23mm, 70mm, and 230mm. Compared to previous Ultras, this creates a much broader range, from wide landscape shots all the way to extreme telephoto photography. And once you attach the external teleconverter, the range expands all the way to 300mm, which is honestly wild for a smartphone. You can literally capture subjects on the opposite side of a mountain from where you're standing. The second major advantage is resolution. Both the main camera and the 3x telephoto lens use 200-megapixel sensors. That isn't only about producing ultra-detailed images. The real benefit is that even when digitally cropping between focal lengths, the phone can still maintain roughly 50-megapixel image quality, which keeps photos looking sharp and consistent across nearly the entire zoom range. On top of that, the main camera features a bright f1.5 aperture, while the 3x telephoto camera uses a large 1/1.28-inch sensor. That combination dramatically improves low-light performance and reduces image noise. What makes this setup special is that you stop thinking about which camera to use. You don't worry about which focal length has the best quality anymore. Instead, you simply frame your shot, focus on the scene in front of you, and press the shutter. And then there's the standout feature of the entire system, the 230mm 10x telephoto lens. Thanks to the larger sensor behind it, this isn't just a gimmicky zoom camera anymore. It becomes a true creative tool. Most people assume telephoto lenses are only useful for getting closer to distant subjects, but what they really change is perspective itself. They completely transform the way we see the world. For example, you'd probably never expect people to line up beside a barbed wire fence just to take photos there. But with a telephoto lens, the streets and coastline of Benshu become visually compressed together inside the frame, almost like layers folding into one another. That unique compression effect creates a completely different visual experience that wide-angle photography simply can't replicate. A truly great telephoto lens isn't just about being able to capture something far away, it's about capturing it beautifully. Distant mountains suddenly feel close enough to touch, and subjects can stand out clearly even in crowded urban environments. That's exactly why portrait photographers love telephoto lenses so much. And while flexible focal lengths give photographers more freedom in composition, the real soul of a photograph comes from something even more immediate: color and tone. Those are the elements that shape a viewer's first emotional reaction to an image. For the past decade, the camera industry has been obsessed with sharper images, higher resolutions, and technically perfect optics. But strangely enough, many of the cameras and vintage lenses that seem outdated or impractical today are becoming more desirable than ever. Some are even selling for incredibly high prices and finding their way into Hollywood productions. Why? Because in a world where every image looks perfectly clean and technically flawless, people are starting to appreciate rich colors, unique rendering styles, and even optical imperfections. Ironically, those flaws are what make images feel alive and memorable again.
The Find X9 Ultra's Master Mode was designed with one goal in mind: bringing the timeless look of classic film photography into modern mobile imaging. Unlike the standard shooting mode, which focuses on reproducing colors as accurately as possible, Master Mode takes a more artistic approach. The colors feel more cinematic and expressive, and it even intentionally keeps certain optical characteristics, like lens vignetting. The overall image tone becomes softer and more emotional, giving every shot a distinctive atmosphere. Back in the era of traditional photography, the personality of an image was heavily shaped by the film stock and the lens being used. That's exactly the philosophy behind Master Mode. Instead of relying on the normal image processing system, it uses a completely different workflow to recreate the tones, textures, and even the subtle imperfections you'd normally expect from classic cameras. This time around, the Find X9 Ultra fully embraces Hasselblad's signature color science and has even received official Hasselblad certification. The upgraded Hasselblad Master Mode introduces 3 brand new master film styles, and the one we ended up using the most was the Portra 400-inspired Hollandaise film simulation. Its treatment of blue and golden tones looks absolutely stunning. Both colors carry a rich cinematic warmth, while skin tones appear creamy, soft, and natural. Whether you're shooting under bright sunlight or cloudy skies, the results consistently deliver a beautiful film-inspired aesthetic. When you combine the dramatic wide-angle framing style inspired by the Hasselblad X-Pan with the dynamic movement captured through live photos, then layer it together with these nostalgic portrait colors, it almost feels like classic film cameras from another era have suddenly come back to life in a modern form. But the film style that fascinated me the most was the simulated Ricoh-inspired high-contrast black and white mode. The way it handles textures is incredible. Fabric wrinkles, mountain surfaces, cloud details, everything gains much stronger depth and dimension thanks to the intense contrast between light and shadow. And unlike the fixed focal length limitations of traditional GR lenses, the multiple lenses on the Find X9 Ultra give you far more creative flexibility, making it easier to experiment with unique angles and compositions. These rich film-inspired styles work especially well in scenes that need emotion and storytelling. Because of the distinctive image processing, skin tones also feel more refined and carefully balanced. Of course, Hasselblad also provides a wide range of customization tools for creators who want even more control. We've also shared some of the tonal presets used during this shoot, and they can be imported instantly with a simple one-tap shortcut. If colors are what give a photograph its emotional impact, then video is what truly brings that emotion to life. On the video side, the Find X9 Ultra supports 4K recording at 120 FPS and even 8K recording at 30 FPS in log format. For more advanced creators, it also includes professional features like Vlog 2 support and Dolby Vision recording. The clarity of the 8K footage is seriously impressive. Even after applying a 2K crop during editing, the video still maintains excellent detail and sharpness. Inside the professional video mode, the Find X9 Ultra also supports importing custom 3D LUTs. That means you can load your favorite cinematic LUTs directly into the phone and even bake them into the footage while recording. OPPO also provides several official LUTs tailored for different shooting environments, making it possible to achieve beautiful color grading without spending hours editing afterward. So, this is essentially the complete package offered by the Find X9 Ultra. It delivers a design and build quality that genuinely resembles a professional camera, an advanced imaging system featuring Tool half-inch class high-resolution sensors, a reflection-free periscope telephoto lens, a master-level image style inspired by classic cameras, and increasingly capable professional video features. But after looking through all the incredible photos and cinematic videos captured by this phone, I realized something interesting. Maybe this still wasn't the true answer to the question I asked at the beginning. If people genuinely want the best photography experience, wouldn't they just buy a dedicated camera? And honestly, are smartphone brands pushing camera technology too aggressively every single year? Then I started thinking about my own experience. Over the past few years, I've actually used my cameras less and less. I still remember the excitement of getting my very first camera. Back then, I wanted to carry it everywhere and photograph everything around me. Most of the things I shot were incredibly ordinary. Stray cats, convenience stores downstairs, street lights at night. I didn't care about composition, image quality, or whether anyone else would ever see the photos. Simply pressing the shutter made me happy. For the first time, I felt like I was seeing the world from a different perspective. But eventually, that excitement faded. Part of it was because using a dedicated camera could feel inconvenient, and another reason was that filming videos had already become part of my daily work. After work, the last thing I wanted was to pick up another camera. Honestly, I can't even remember the last time I went outside at night just to casually shoot street photography. But during the time I spent using the Find X9 Ultra, I noticed something surprising. My photo gallery started filling up again. After work, if the weather looked nice, I'd take pictures of blue skies, tree shadows, or sunsets. On weekends, while walking around the studio area, I'd capture buildings, grass, and random little details around me. These are scenes I normally walk past every day without noticing. Usually, there's no real desire to casually take photos with a smartphone, because the results often feel too ordinary. But when you can visually compress the world through a 230mm lens or transform everyday scenes using cinematic film tones, it genuinely feels like gaining a new way of seeing things. Suddenly, the trees by the roadside look beautiful. Sunsets become moments worth stopping for. Ordinary daily life starts revealing details that feel worth capturing. I used to think traditional cameras were the only tools capable of creating that kind of experience. But thanks to modern smartphone technology, you can now carry that creative freedom in your pocket every day. And somewhere along the way, you rediscover the joy of photography itself. That, in the end, is what mobile photography really means. It gives you more moments where you actually want to pick up a camera and capture the world around you. The base version of the Find X9 Ultra Earth Edition starts at 11,999 yuan in China, which works out to around 1,302 pounds in the UK and approximately $1,759 in the United States. So, what do you guys think about this camera-focused flagship? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.